Children, in the previous class we have learned division. Today we are going to learn estimation. They have given fruits picture along with the price of it. They have framed some questions. Let us learn that now. First question, what is the price of Ooty apple? Why do you prefer this? What is the price of Ooty apple? Why do you prefer this? Second question, find the cost of 3 kg of green banana. Find the cost of 3 kg of green banana. What is the total cost of 1 kg of Simla apple, Poovan banana and peon banana? Fourth one, find out the difference between the cost of Ooty apple and Simla apple. Find out the difference between the cost of Ooty apple and Simla apple. Mala had rupees 70. How many kilogram of peon banana would she buy? How many kg of peon banana would she buy? Now we can frame the question based on this table. This table contains name of the item, price of per kg in rupees, price of per kg in rupees. The price of raw rice per kg is rupees 56. The price of boiled rice is rupees 54. The price of wheat is rupees 40. The price of tamarind is rupees 180. The price of red chilli is 100 rupees. Now we can frame the questions. First one, find the cost of 2 kg of raw rice. Find the cost of 2 kg of raw rice. Second one, find the cost of 4 kg of wheat. Find the cost of 4 kg of wheat. Third one, what is the cost of 5 kg of boiled rice? What is the cost of 5 kg of boiled rice? Fourth one, what is the total cost of all the items? What is the total cost of all the items? Second question, frame word problem using this picture. This picture represents the price of one piece of cake. The question is, if the cost of one piece of cake is rupees 25, what is the total cost of 16 pieces of cake? What is the total cost of 16 pieces of cake? Next question, frame the word problem using this picture. This picture represents the 7 clocks price. Now we can frame the question. If total cost of the clock is rupees 490, find the cost of 1 clock. Find the cost of 1 clock.
Kalu, did you see here the fruits you love?
Wow, banana.
Can you tell me how many fruits are here?
How can I tell, Mom?
Whatever you see, you can tell me.
Hope it should be 15 fruits.
Now, count them and tell.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Totally 16 fruits, Mom.
Without counting, just by seeing, you are able to tell how many it could be. This is called estimation. The value that is close to the exact count is called approximation. This is the symbol for approximation. Now, can you tell me the approximate number of oranges?
It should be around 7 or 8.
Now, count them and tell me.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 oranges, Mom.
Yes, 10 oranges are there. Hope you would have understood approximation by now. A boy walks along the road. When he stands at a point, can you find which place is nearer, home or shop? Yes, shop is nearest to him. Now, which tree is nearer to the boy? Banana tree or coconut tree? Yes, the boy is nearer to the banana tree. Now, the boy is standing at an equal distance from the bus and the train. So, approximately, we can say that the boy is nearest to the train. Estimation. Nearest to tens. Tens place. We can see the boy is standing below the number 33. The nearest tens is 30. Now the boy is standing below 36. The nearest tens is 40. Now, when the boy stands below the number 35, which is in the middle of 30 and 40, so the nearest tens is taken as 40. Estimate the sum. 58 plus 73. 58 is rounded to tens 60. 73 is rounded to tens 70. The total is 131, which is rounded sum 130.
Now we can round off the numbers nearest to 10. Look at here, what number is given? 19. So now we can round off the numbers using number line. Look at here, 19. So where is the 19 here? Here. So first we can circle the 19. It is nearest to 10 or 20. It is nearest to 10 or 20. It is nearest to 20. So 19 is nearest to what? 19 is nearest to 20. 19 is nearest to 20. Next question, 23. Where is the 23? So first circle the 23. It is nearest to 20 or 30. It is nearest to 20. It is nearest to 20. So 23 is nearest to what? 20. Estimating sums and difference. To estimate a number means to round off each number to its nearest tens, hundreds and then add or subtract. To estimate a number means to round off each number to its nearest tens, hundreds and then add or subtract. Steps for estimation. Steps for estimation. Nearest to tens. Nearest to tens. Check the unit digit of the given number that is to be estimated. Check the unit digit of the given number that is to be estimated. If it is equal to or greater than 5, if it is equal to or greater than 5, add 1 to previous digit, add 1 to previous digit, make the unit digit as 0. Make the unit digit as 0. Example, 85 is rounded to 90. 85 is rounded to 90. Next point, if it is less than 5, if it is less than 5, make the unit digit as 0. Make the unit digit as 0. Example, 63 is rounded to 60. 63 is rounded to 60. Now we can estimate the numbers to nearest tens and then add. First we can do actual value. 5 plus 3, 8. 5 plus 3, 8. 4 plus 9, 13. 4 plus 9, 13. So 45 plus 93 is 138. Now we can write estimated value. 45 is rounded to tens equal to. Before writing estimated value, we have to check ones digit. The ones digit is 5. If it is 5 or more than 5 means we have to add 1 to the previous digit. So 4 plus 1, 5 and make the unit digit 0 and make the unit digit 0. So 45 is rounded to tens is 50. Next 93. So first we can check ones place. Ones place is less than 5. So is rounded to tens equal to, make the unit digit 0, make the unit digit 0 and write previous digit as it is and write previous digit as it is. So 93 is rounded to 90. 138 rounded sum equal to 50 plus 90, 0 plus 0, 0, 5 plus 9, 14, 5 plus 9, 14. So the estimated sum is 140. Second question, 42 plus 38. First we can find actual value. 2 plus 8, 10. So we have to write 0. Carry over 1. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. 5 plus 3, 8. Now we can write estimated value. 42 is rounded to tens equal to, it is less than 5. 2 is less than 5. So we have to write 40. So 42 is nearest 40. 38. We have to check ones place. 8 is more than 5. We have to add 1 to the previous digit. So 3 plus 1, 4. So 38 is rounded to tens equal to, 38 is nearest to 40. 38 is nearest to 40. So 80. Rounded sum equal to 40 plus 40, 80. 0 plus 0, 0. 4 plus 4, 8. So rounded sum is 80. Next one, estimate the numbers to nearest tens and then subtract. First we can subtract the actual value. 8 minus 2, 6. 8 minus 2 is 6. 7 minus 3, 7 minus 3 is 4. So 78 minus 32 is 46. 78 minus 32 is 46. Now we can find estimated value. 78 is rounded to tens is 80. 78 is nearest to 80. Next one, 32. 32 is rounded to tens is what? 30. 32 is nearest tens is 30. 46 rounded to difference. So we have to find rounded difference. Rounded difference is minus 0 minus 0, 0. 8 minus 3 is 5. 8 minus 3 is 5. So, rounded difference is 50. Next one, 91 minus 75. 91 minus 75. 1 minus 5. 1 is less than 5. So, we have to borrow from 9. Here 8, 11. Here 8, 11. 11 minus 5, 6. 11 minus 5, 6. 8 minus 7, 1. 8 minus 7, 1. Next we can do estimated value. 91 is rounded to tens is 91 is rounded to tens is what? 90. 75 is rounded to tens is 80. 75 is rounded to tens is 80. So the rounded difference equal to 0 minus 0, 0. 9 minus 8, 1. The rounded difference is 10. Next, estimation in multiplication. Estimation in multiplication. Now we can estimate and calculate. Multiplication fact 82 into 28. Multiplication fact 82 into 28. So first we can do actual value. So 82 into 28. So first we can take and multiply. Ones digit 8. 8 twos are 16. Carry over 1. 8 twos are 16. 6. Carry over 1. 8 eights are 64. 8 eights are 64. 64 plus 1, 65. Then leave ones place. Then start to multiply tens digit. 2 twos are 4. 2 twos are 4. 2 eights are 16. 2 twos are 4. 2 eights are 16. Then next you can add 6, 9, 6 plus 6, 12, 2, carry over 1, 1 plus 1, 2. The actual value of 82 into 28 is 2296. Actual value of 82 into 28 is 2296. Now we can do estimated value. Estimated value. First we can write the estimated value of each number. So 82 is rounded to tens is 80 into 28 rounded to tens is 30. So now we can start to multiply. 0 zeros are 0. 0 eights are 0. Leave one space. Then start to 3 zeros are 0. 3 eights are 24. 3 eights are 24. Then add 0, 0, 4, 2. So 80 into 30 is 2400. So the difference, the greater value is 2400. So estimated value minus actual value equal to 2400 minus 2296. You have to subtract, borrow from 4, 3, 10. From 10 you have to take 1, 9 and 10. 10 minus 6, 4, 9 minus 9, 0. 3 minus 2, 1, 0. The difference is 104. While doing multiplication, first you have to multiply the actual value. While doing estimated value, you have to estimate one each number separately, then you have to multiply. You should not estimate direct value. Children, next question. The multiplication fact is 23 into 27. 23 into 27. First, we have to calculate actual value. 23 into 27. 7 3s are 21. 1. Carry over 2. 7 2s are 14. 14 plus 2, 16. Then start to multiply 2. 2 3s are 6. 2 2s are 4. 1. Add the 1. 6 plus 6, 12. 2. Carry over 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 4, 6. So 621. 23 into 27 is 621. Then estimated value. The estimated value of 23 is 20. 23 is 20 into 27 is, the rounded value of 27 is 30. So 0, 0 2s are 0. Leave the space. 3 zeros are 0. 3 2s are 6. 0, 0, 6. 20 into 30 is 600. 20 into 30 is 600. Now we want to find the difference. Here actual value is more. So first you have to write actual value minus estimated value. So 621 minus 600 is 120. The difference is 21. In this video, we have learned frame word problems, estimation in addition, estimation in subtraction, and estimation in multiplication. Copy this in your notebook. Thank you, children.